Last video, we showed how to find trading Forex opportunity. The response was really good. We had over thousands of you all across our social media channel, so I'm really thankful for that. However, some of the followers still don't understand how Forex trading works. So in today's video, I'll break down what is the Forex market, who trades the Forex market, and how to use spread trading for Forex. So stay tuned. Forex is by far the largest financial market, which a lot of people don't know because we quite often hear the stock market, New York Stock Exchange and stuff like that. However, every single day, the turnover for Forex markets exceeds 6 trillion daily, and London is the biggest player. Daily turnover in London for Forex market is around 3.6 trillion per day. In comparison, the Forex market is around 28 times bigger than the stock market. So who trades the Forex market? There's three major parties I can explain: governments, big corporation, and speculator Forex traders. So let's talk about the government first. Why do they trade Forex market? Because each country have their own currency. So when they have to do business with each other, they have an exchange. So they need to exchange their currency to another country's currency. That's also a trade. Now, big corporation, they obviously, like Nike, they produce from America, sell to Europe. So once they sold the shoes in Europe, they need to exchange euro back to US dollar. That's also a trade. Finally, Forex trader, also known as speculators. Our job is to profit from the volatility in the market. We have no interest to hold the underlying asset, which I will go into a bit more detail. Now let's go through some of the fundamental of how Forex trading work. Let's use this example, the biggest trading pairs, euro, dollar. As recording today, 1 euro is equal to around 0.99 US dollar. On the left is euro, which we refer as the base currency. On the right is the US dollar, which is known as the quote currency. If the traders think the euro will do better against the US dollar, they can buy, also known as going long. If the trader thinks euro will do worse than US dollar, they can sell it, which also known as going short. Nowadays, to trade the Forex market is very simple. All you need is a good laptop, internet access, and a trustable broker, which I recommend if you're in the UK to use something that is FCA regulated so that your money is protected. Now, I'm going to show you on a chart how to open a spread trade on euro dollar. So this is the IG platform that I use. You can see I'm opening up euro dollar right here. You can see it's euro dollar. Now, if a trader thinks euro will do better than the US dollar, they can buy. So all they do is just click buy. You can see now we have a stop loss. So stop loss needs to be a relevant area. I think below this area is nice, which I'll go into a bit more detail in the future video, how we place order in a technical way. Today is just to give you an idea how to trade Forex in spread trading. So if a trader thinks the euro will do better than the US dollar, all they do is click buy and then calculate the size they want to put on this trade. Usually on a smaller time frame, I trade around £1,000. You can see 60 points is £18 per pips, we call it. Okay, what is a pips? If you can see right here, 9922, and then it goes to 23. That's a pip. The 4 decimal points is the pip. So you can bet as much as you like. Some big traders, I've seen they bet tens of thousands per pip. So it's £18 per pips for me. If I'm happy with the £18 risk and stop loss, and then I can take a 1-to-1. So if it goes to 60 point above, then I will make a £1,080. So click here, place the trade. Now you in the trade. Now immediately you will see, oh, I placed a trade. Why am I in red? Why am I losing money? Because, let me just clean all this drawing first. Because there's something called spread. So the broker charge you a little commission to open this trade. So this is how easy it is. Now you can see price is going against your direction. It's completely normal. Then again, today it just give you a feeling of how to open a trade, not to go into technical. By the way, this is a demo account. I'm not using my real money to risk and show you guys. All right. So this is how you open a buy trade. So let's say if you want to open a short trade, how do you do that? Let me just do this. Take this off, close the trade. It's very easy to close trade as well. Click, then you now close. Let me see if I can close it in profit. Boom! I close it in profit, £18. No, usually trading is not like that, okay? I'm just giving you an idea how to open a trade on a broker. Now, because I am bearish on euro dollar. Bearish means I think euro will do worse against the US dollar. So I want to sell. So I want to short euro. How do I do that? You can click deal in here. So very simple. Live trade. And I think above here is enough. So now we're betting around 33 points. And like I said, I usually bet around £1,000 on a smaller time frame trade. So which is around 30 pound per something like that. So that's around £1,000. So now I'm happy with that. And I usually like to aim for something like a swing low. So like this, I then place my deal. Boom. Now the trade is open. You can see, yes, again, we have to point out we are losing a little bit. It's not losing. It's again the spread. So the broker charge a little bit for spread. Now we're up, we're down. So don't get into emotion, but this is something more down the line that we will show you. So in today's video, we showed you what is the Forex market, who trades the Forex market, and how to use spread trading to open a trade on the broker. Stay tuned. We will in this playlist to break down now how to develop your own simple trading system, and hopefully you can learn and profit from the Forex market. If you do have any question, drop me a comment. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.